Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Leos. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested to get more clarity in your circumstances, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Leos, I have a good friend of mine. She is a very good intuitive reader and she gives personal reading in fever. So you can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description below. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Nine of Cups, Nine of Swords in reverse, and Page of Cups. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you have some kind of expectation about future, what will happen or what will be the outcome. So you are worried about something, you are expecting something to happen and you're quite anxious whether it will happen or not. And you believe in a few people and you believe that they will do it the right way, the way you expect. And you are just hoping and wishing that your belief is not broken. So it may be even in this relationship. Maybe you love this person, you trust them, and you believe them to be good, you believe them to be a reliable one. But you are expecting some action from this person or expecting something from them. And you are just wishing that it will happen. So that is the worry you may have today. That is the reason you are quite anxious. What will come? What will be the future? Or what will happen in this relationship? But I also see that your worries are, you need not take your worries so seriously, because with these cards, I feel that you are quite happy or you will feel really happy the way your situation is going to change. You are going to taste success, happiness in this relationship, a good understanding, emotional satisfaction. So you are going to feel truly happy. You are going to step into that mutual love, understanding, and trust in this relationship. And also, Leos, there is a good news waiting for you. So it may be a good news from this person. They have something to tell you, something positive to tell you today. Maybe they are thinking of marriage or commitment, engagement or proposal. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. It's Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So you are going to feel extremely happy about the way things are going, but you should not take this happiness to your head. You should not feel proud, or you should not treat others badly because of the way things are going in this relationship. Maybe you should maintain your humility no matter what happiness or emotional satisfaction you enjoy in this relationship, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, Leos. We have one card. Sorry, guys. And it is World in reverse. So there is some kind of a monotony in your work. Maybe you're doing something again and again. That may be the cause of boredom, and you feel that your returns or the expectations has not changed, or circumstances are not changing. So you are expecting more success, but things are going as usual in your career situation, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards, Leos, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the all-encompassing hand. Such a beautiful card for you all today, guys. So with this card, the energy is that this is the hand of the divine that is reaching you today. And there is no limitation for the blessings it can bestow and the troubles it can lift from you and the tenderness it can communicate to you with that sacred touch. So all you need to do is allow that divine hand to reach you. Do not turn it away. Do not let your shame or mistakes or guilt or notions of independence keep you from accepting this blessing coming in your way in your life today. So this divine hand is here to wipe away the tears of the past. Maybe you are hurt, you are hurting, you are in a lot of pain, and this is a help coming to unravel the ties you have bound your hands with, preventing you from fully giving and receiving your worth. And this hand is here to help you, and the help this hand is going to give you is without limit. So you just need to accept this blessing coming in your life today, guys, for those who chose this card. And this oracle card also comes with a special message. Maybe you in your life, you are in a circumstance or in a situation and you feel that circumstance is not resolving, or it is not, you are unable to solve the problems you are facing. And this oracle guidance comes with a reassurance that there is nothing beyond the reach of the divine hand of grace. So all can be solved and all can be resolved. So there is always a higher, better and a more beautiful outcome in your situation with that divine blessing. So that is what is the energy with this card, guys. So there is a blessing coming your way for those who chose this card, and divine help going to reach you today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we will see what is the card. The Day Boy and the Night Girl. Balance. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your life, each and every one of us have that darkness and light in us, the good qualities and the bad ones. So, whatever it is, we need to find that balance. And we need to find that balance because only then we will be uh, becoming that whole person. So, sometimes we go through times when we are still or quiet, and we may walk unwatched. People may not see us. Sometimes there is light shining on us, bright light shining on us, bringing us into that radiant life. So we need to understand that this light and darkness is part of our life, and all the qualities we have, maybe some good qualities, bad qualities, whatever we have, that is what makes us our whole self. So we must embrace all those qualities, the masculine and feminine qualities within ourselves. And now is the time for us to work with our fears, whatever we have, and overcome it. And balance is needed for this true wholeness of our being. So we may have certain fears, certain inhibitions holding us back. Whatever it is, we must try to understand it and overcome it. And this card may also suggest that you are healing from a very bad childhood trauma, whatever you faced in your life, and there is a whole new world waiting for you. All you need to do is go out and reach out. That is what this card is about, and that is the reading with these cards, guys, for you all today. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.